Salaamu calaykum gabdho isoo raaca maanta gabadheeda birthday-geeda weeyaan. She turns 14 alxamdulilah. Ilaahay ilmaha noo ilaaliyo. Meeshan waxaa imaanay oo pastry-ga ah. Ilmaha pastry-ga jecel yihiin, wallahi macmacaan ay jecel yihiin. But anyway, we came for the cakes and of course they have to get macmacaan. But then we left. We got a coffee also and we left, guys. We went to Afghan restaurant and some of the kids and me, we wanted Afghan food. And then also my daughter, she invited her friends and you know my kids, some of my kids and her friends, they like pizza and wings, so we did order pizza and wings and came back home and we celebrated her birthday and it was good, guys. And this was Afghan food. Oh my god, mwah. 10 out of 10, guys. Okay, and then the pizza came. It was a local company and the kids loved it. My daughter friends, alhamdulillah, they loved it. Also they had fun. Of course they were running around in the house, going up, down, hide and seek and all of that good stuff that kids do, alhamdulillah. And I'm telling you, we had bless. And this was my daughter's cake, one of my daughter's cake, and the other one was like, you'll see it in the picture in the end. But yeah, it was both of them. They were looking good, and they were amazing, guys. Both cakes were like tasty and beautiful. Come on, guys, give this video حقيقة سيا وكنا كيكي كلنا and support your girl. Love you. Bye.